Hello everyone. Do you dream of wearing a white coat but think MBBS is the only way? What if I told you there are several other courses, even in medical and paramedical courses, that can give you a successful career in healthcare sector? From saving lives in operation theater to having a own clinic and even able to design your own prosthetics. So let me help you to decide which course is for you. And I will be telling you each course and I will break it down for you all to know that which course comes under which category. So we are already aware of MBBS and it is widely known in the healthcare sector because doctors are the main people in the whole team. They are the one who operate in the operation theater, well known. So let me tell you that there is a concept of Ikigai. You do what you like and you do the things which will make money for you. So do something which is well known to you, which you like to do and which will make money for you. So this is a concept of Ikigai, and I don't know how many people are aware of this concept, but this is what makes you feel happy and even make you go longer in the career. Okay, so why I am telling about this concept, because before choosing any kind of courses or before going to choose or make a decision in your career side, you need to know this concept. So मैंने ये वीडियो क्यों बनाया स्पेसिफिकली, क्योंकि there are some people who are asking me about the courses. So when course I will go from the medical category, then paramedical category, and then the other category which are lying in the healthcare sector itself. So पहले जब हमने देखा कि MBBS and dental, these are the two categories in the medical. Then we come to a rehabilitation course category where we will have 4 basic courses, which is Bachelor of Prosthetic and Orthotic, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, that is BPT, then BOT, which is Bachelor in Occupational Therapy, and then we have the other course which is Bachelor of Speech and Auditory course, which is BASLP. Okay, so these are the rehabilitation courses. Then we come to the next category, which is paramedical courses. So I specifically worked with several other people in a team where these people are coming from a category of paramedical courses. So the first category is BSc in optometry. You have been like hearing it out a lot. ऑप्टोमेट्री में स्पेसिफिकली स्पेक्स के बारे में बात होती है. जब वहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा कोई आपके स्पेक्स का नंबर टेस्ट करता है, दे हैव डन कोर्स इन ऑप्टोमेट्री, सो दे आर द मेन पीपल हु विल हेल्प यू विद द लेंसेज. Then the other course is BRIT, that is Bachelor in Radiology Imagining Technology. जो भी machines आप देखते हैं जैसे कि X-ray, CT scans, MRIs, those machines which help you get the scans or diagnostic tools which will help you get the reports, those all things wherever radiology or you can say जहाँ पे भी रेडियो वेव्स या हम लोग जहाँ पे भी हेल्प लेते हैं कोई भी ऐसे मशीन की जिससे हमारे बॉडी की डायग्नोस्टिक स्कैन्स निकल सके, जिससे हमें पता चल सके कि हम डायग्नोस कर सकें उन रिपोर्ट्स को देख के, जैसे कि एक्सरे, सीटी स्कैन, एमआरआई, देयर आर मल्टीपल थिंग्स. ठीक है, तो जब भी हम ये वाले कोर्स की बात करते हैं, दोज पीपल हु आर हेल्पिंग अस टू गेट दिस ऑल रिपोर्ट्स क्लियरली विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम, दे हैव डन BRIT, दैट इज बैचलर इन रेडियोलॉजी इमेजिनिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द कोर्स विच इज वेरी फेमस. देन वी आर then we have a course in the paramedical category, that is BMLT, that is Bachelor in Medical Lab Technology. We have even master courses for each of them, and I am just discussing about the undergraduate healthcare courses which are given under the category of medical and paramedical courses, and even the other category. So when even master courses for each of them, and I am just discussing about the undergraduate healthcare courses which are given under the category of medical and paramedical courses, and even the other category. So when I am talking about BMLT, that is Bachelor or in Medical Lab Technology, is always helping with the pathological reports, जैसे blood samples हो गए, all those things which are related to pathology, biochemistry, or something which is related to all the kind of things which are needed to be researched on, जो कि blood के samples में check किया जाए. ये सारी चीज़ें जो pathological level पे जाके होती हैं, जो ये सारे samples जो आपकी reports निकालते हैं या read करते हैं, the people who have done the course is this Bachelor in Medical Lab Technology. They are the ones who are doing all the pathological lab work where you will get the reports. Then now let's discuss about some other major courses which are very well known, and जो मेडिकल टीम बनती है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा नोन और बहुत ज़्यादा काम करवाने वाले जो कोर्सेज हैं उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. दैट इज़ BSc Nursing, very prominent course. BSc Nursing is the one course which is around 4 years and half year internship, and it is well known. But there are 2 more categories under nursing courses, that is ANM, that is auxiliary nursing, and there is one more category which is GNM, that is there are these two categories, and then BSc nursing as well. जो ANM GNM है वो दोनों टाइम पीरियड कम है उन कोर्सेज के, एंड जो BSc नर्सिंग है उसका टाइम सबसे ज़्यादा है. इसके बाद BSc नर्सिंग करने के बाद भी इसके आगे पढ़ाई होती है. नॉर्सेट अगर आपने सुना होगा, दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग BSc नर्सिंग. पीपल यूज टू गो फॉर दैट. एंड द नेक्स्ट कोर्स विच विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इज B Pharma, बैचलर्स इन फार्मेसी. अब आपने सुना होगा ड्रग्स, जितने भी फार्मास्यूटिकल इज ऑलरेडी नोन ब्रांच. Those people who have just completed their 12th, they are not aware of it more now. So let me tell you कि pharma किसे कहते हैं. So pharmacy is all about medicines. जितने भी ड्रग्स से रिलेटेड चीज होती है, जितनी भी पढ़ाई होती है ड्रग्स के ऊपर, फार्मा डायनामिक, फार्माकाइनेटिक्स, जो भी ये फार्मा की चीज़ें स्पेसिफिकली पूरा डीप डाउन करके मेडिसिन के ऊपर जब पढ़ाई करता है जो इंसान, उसके लिए ये फील्ड होती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं बैचलर्स इन फार्मेसी. इफ़ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट रिलेटेड टू दीज टाइप ऑफ फील्ड्स, go for those specific fields if you are good at it. Okay, so B Pharma is giving you option even for getting licensed pharmacy. So अगर आपने BSc या मतलब B Pharma किया है तो आप एक complete करने के बाद, this after completing this course you will be able to open one of your own pharmacy store and even work with private pharmaceutical companies which are there even in India and abroad. So these are some of the well-known courses in the healthcare. So why you need to know this? Firstly, because if you are making a decision, you need to know how many courses are there. अब जब कोर्सेज के बारे में पता है तो आपको कैसे डिसाइड करना है कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स चाहिए. सी, कोर्सेज सिर्फ पता होने से या किसी के बता देने से आप चूज नहीं कर लोगे. यू नीड टू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट यू हैव. इफ यू पर्टिकुलरली हैव मेडिकल में मेडिसिन से रिलेटेड इंटरेस्ट है अगर आपका, सो यू कैन स्पेसिफिकली गो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. बी फार्मा इज हेल्पिंग यू टू डीप डाइवर in that particular course. Okay, similarly even in rehabilitation courses, if you have some kind of passion or some kind of helping or kind of interest in helping people with the assistive devices, with some of the modalities, you wanted some people not to take medicines, you can go for physiotherapy. If you wanted to work with robotics and all, you can go and enter for prosthetic and orthotics. And if you are having some interest in assistive device or modifying the simple things for the patient so that they can use and make sure they are able to do their daily activities. So we used to call it as ADL, that is daily living activities, which can be done by the patient easily by taking use of all those or using those assistive devices. If you have any kind of interest, you can go for those bachelors in occupational therapy. And if you have some kind of interest in dealing with the people who are not able to hear or having issues with the speech, you can help them by taking this course of BA SLP, where you will deal with the patients who are having issue with their hearing. You have to make sure you need to learn sign languages so that you can communicate with them, and you can easily make it to a translator. Like there would be many platforms where people are not able to see or hear, so at that time the medium is you. Okay, so this is one of the course. Then we have already discussed about nursing as well. So why I was, because in healthcare not only doctors and nurses are the one who are helping in the healthcare sector, in the hospital. In the hospital, patients need all these type of people so that the patient and healthcare can work together. So to bridge this all, there is a whole team of people. Those all people coordinate with each other and make sure that the patient get well, and the people who are working all in this healthcare are from different branches. Some are from medical side, some are from paramedical side, some are from the nursing background, some are from the pharmaceutical courses, some are from rehabilitation courses. So all these courses come together and make a team. They coordinated with each other, and then they. So let me summarize what all type of courses we have discussed till now. So firstly, medical MBBS, and then dental, then BSc nursing, that is BSc nursing ANM, which is auxiliary nursing midwifery. Then there is one more course which is GNM, which is general medicine midwifery. Then we will come to the next classification, that is pharma, B Pharma. D Pharma is also an existential course. Then we have discussed about the category of rehabilitation courses, which is BPT, BPO, BOT, BASLP, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, then prosthetic and orthotics, and then speech and auditory course. So these are the four kind of classifications in medical, paramedical, pharmacy, nursing, rehabilitation, these all come together and make a team in the healthcare, and these are the roles. Even there are much more courses other than these. We will be making a part 2, or if people wanted, I will make one more video where I will be covering about more such other courses in the healthcare, which is helping you to take decision that what is the right course for you. So thank you for listening this whole video. If you are a parent who is listening to this video, do let me know what kind of information you got, and if you are a student itself or any candidate who is looking that which course you need to join after completing your 12th and you have taken biology, and even MYPC is eligible for these courses, because even in some of the rehabilitation courses, and there are some particular courses which need maths. So yes, MYPC candidates as well can enter this field. So thank you for listening to the whole video.